Alright, in this video we're going to talk about palindromes, and this is the third video in my series of common interview questions. Okay, this is a fairly straightforward one too, and there are several ways to do it, and this is actually a true story. I found an easy way to do it, and after I did it, the interviewer asked me to do it another way, and I didn't know how to do it. So now my next video will be another way to do a palindrome. But anyway, a real simple way to do this is you have a string, so we're going to convert that to a char. So call it char array, input to char array. Now you're going to take that string and reverse it. And then you simply need to return if the input is equal to char array. Actually, it's new string. You have to convert it back to a string. So it's currently a character. And that's all there is to it. So I have the word race car up here. Let's run it. And it returns true. Race car is in fact a palindrome. The first letter and the last letter are the same. A is the same as A, C is the same as C, and E in the middle. And there you have it. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching, and hopefully we'll see you next time.